Tayong lahat ay narito para sa binyag ng ating bata na ating tatanggapin sa araw na ito. At ang binyag na ito ay napakahalaga dahil sa apat na grasyang kanyang tatanggapin. Ang unang-una ay ang grasya ng pagkawala ng original sin. At dahil sa pagbubuhos ng tubig, sa binyag, mawawala ang lahat ng kasalanan ito. Kaya't sila'y magiging malinis. At sa pagiging anak ng Diyos, sila ay maging tagapagmana ng langit. At higit sa lahat, sila ay magiging opisyal na miyembro ng ating simbahan. By the mystery of your death and resurrection, bathe this child in light and give them the new life of baptism and welcome them into your holy church.
It's a good day, we got sunlight we can't chase. We can see where it takes us, writing stories that shape us. It's a good time to find a little magic in the moonlight. All that we can discover in this sky full of wonder. We got everything beneath our feet, we see it all. Born for adventure, made to run free.
Salamat po for making time para sa aming family. Maraming salamat kay Lord and sa aking asawa, kay Mariam, for making this event possible po.
There's a hope that you can take with the dawn of a new day.
Sana po hindi kayo magsawang magmahal at mag-give time po sa pamilya namin.
Born for adventure, made to run free. Days we'll remember with the world to see. Always ready to run when the wild's calling. Ready to run and we won't stop. We were born for adventure. Born for adventure.
Happy birthday, baby. I pray that you will be a good Christian. You will grow a healthy boy and a very patient and loving son. And brother to Mariam. Happy birthday!
To Mati, we pray that you will grow a kind, respectful, God-fearing, and loving son to us and to God.